Hello everyone, my name is Gissel and today I have another Nails by Deb unboxing. So I already cut the sides of the tape, so let's just open her right up. Okay, so as usual, you get the thank you for your support, for a chance to be featured, tag us on Instagram, and here are her handles, Nails by Deb and Nails by Deb Shop, and her website. So I picked up one of these like glitter chrome things. Actually, I'll just take out everything from the box so you guys can see. So I'm just gonna go at it. So I got her nail files and they come 10 in a pack and they look adorable. I got 20, so I got 2 packs. And if you saw how she packaged it, it was so pretty. Okay, I also got her drill bit case. I just needed an empty one because apparently, well, for me, I just want to divide my drill bits from like cuticle prep to like coarse and medium. And I feel like I have a lot from Kiara Sky and I want to kind of keep the ones from Kiara Sky to themselves and then like all the other ones kind of with themselves. I don't know, I have to explain myself, but it comes like this. I didn't know it was the one that you have to kind of press them in. I'm going to just use one to see. Yeah, you just press it in. And I guess you can only really fit one. Not like I can do 2 at the same time. But yeah, not bad. I did get some more from Shein. So I'm going to have a bunch of like drill bit cases. But this one's really cute. It's a light translucent pink, so really nice. Put that on the side. I picked up some more of her Mylar. I'm not going to take it out of the packaging because I still have the other one that I use, and I actually have it right here. So it comes with like a blue iridescent, like yellow pinkish, a silver one, a yellow one, another like blue. You can see them better in the back. There's like a blue purple. This one has another iridescent. It's just really good to use. I tend to use this one a lot and sometimes this one. I haven't used the yellow one all that much or this one. I go more for the iridescent ones. It's really nice. So I thought I might as well get myself another one because I really like it. I also picked up this, which I believe I also, oh no, I don't have it. But this is like the bigger version of her smaller one. Let me see if I can close you guys up. So this is the small one. It comes with gold, like a copper, a gold, red, blue, magenta, and like a holographic one. Really pretty. And I do use these. I just don't use it as much. So I thought I might as well get like ones that have it all. So like this one has purple, silver, red, a mixture, another purple, but it's like a pinkier purple, a gold or a champagne, a green, a holographic, gold, blue, copper, and then like a mix. And you can see them better in the back. Really pretty. And I love using these for like, I don't know, encapsulation and stuff like that. It's like glitter everywhere already. Yay. Alrighty. So I picked up that. So looking forward to it. I picked up, oh, I didn't even, oh, okay. I also picked up her pearls because I thought why not have a few, not too many of these like different colored pearls. I saw that they got really popular during the beginning of summer or like ending of spring to like put random pearls all around your nails. So I thought this would be great. Not a lot, but I didn't want a lot, to be honest. I thought this was like the perfect amount to start off with because I don't really do that much like rhinestones or charms or gems like that. So you just kind of like twist it and you get the ones that you want, twist it again, and so on and so forth. So I'm just going to leave it closed. So you do have like a yellow, a orangey yellow, a lighter yellow, a white, unicorn, a like soft pink, pink, baby pink, purple, hot pink. You got a bunch of colors that you can use. So can't wait to try these. She also at the time was giving free, like, what are these called? Fruit slices. Because I had bought this during her live a while back. I just now decided to do the video. And these look really nice. They don't look as thick as the ones from Amazon. I know I just got the Young Nails one. I completely forgot that I had these. But these are pretty thin. Let me see if I can get a tweezer. So yeah, it's pretty thin. It's not super thick. This one's probably a little chunky, but not too chunky. They're a pretty decent size. Now I have a bunch of fruit slices, and I don't know who's gonna want this many fruit slices, but I have them. No complaints here. So she does have like the strawberries, the kiwis. Oh, it'd probably be better to see them this way. I don't know what those are. Limes. Ooh, the strawberries. I like the strawberries looking like these, so I'll probably use these. She has apples and watermelon, lemons, bananas. I guess these are the limes. I'm not sure, but a good amount. And I got those. Okay. Then I also picked up some of her gels. So let me just unwrap these real quick. So I did only pick up a few. I didn't get her whole I'm Sprung collection because I do have some gels from Valentino that I really like and that were very similar. So I got some that I don't think I have in my collection. And yeah, and then I obviously picked up her white and black. But anyways, I'm going to start off with the rubber base coat. I picked that up. So it just comes in this bottle. And then I also picked up her No Wipe Shiny Top Coat. I picked up her White Out, which is her white, and her Lights Out, which is her black. Staples, you know. Then I picked up her Peaches and Cream because I cannot deny a peachy pink. It's so good. Ooh, my nails look dry. Anyways, I picked up So Fresh, So Clean, which is their like avocado green kind of thing. I picked up Mint to Be, which is like a bluish kind of green, I think. It's coming off in between. And then I picked up Be My Lover, which is their baby blue. I don't know why I said there, it's only her. But yeah, those are the 4 that I picked. I can certainly swatch them for you guys. But let me move on to the nail art brushes that I actually picked up. So I went a little in and I literally just picked up her favorite nail art brush, which is the 9mm liner brush. So these caps are a little all over the place. Well, that cap was, not these. And it is this size. Ooh, it is super thin. I love it so far. I don't know what this is, but let me just, well, I don't know what it is, but that's how it looks. And this is the 9mm liner brush. And these are all it. They come with a cap, so you just put it in and it closes. I really like that it's silver. The cap wasn't into the pink and gold. Oh, there you go. Oh, these are like, I think a wood handle, so I did kind of like scrape it, but it's okay. I'm in it for the brush, not the cap, so it doesn't matter. Really pretty. I can't wait to use these. They're so thin. I love it. I mean, I know they're all the same brush, but I'm gonna open all of them. Look at that. So good. Like, such a good brush. It's so thin. I can't wait to use it. Can't wait to use all these. And I'm so glad that it came with a cap because I need caps in my, because I don't, like, I have my desk out in the open, so I don't really put my brushes away. So I always clean them with acetone. Not acetone, but like, I always clean my brushes with alcohol so that they don't get like stuck together. But anyway, she always gives a sticker, which I love. My boyfriend actually has one of these stickers. I had given it to him in a bag by accident. And he's like, did you mean to give me this sticker? I was like, no, but it's cool, right? And he's like, yeah, it's pretty cool. And I'm like, it's from my nail stuff. Anyways, that's all that I picked up. And I'm going to swatch these really quick for you guys and show you. So I'll be right back. So this is how the colors look. They're so cute. I love it. So meant to be peaches and cream, be my lover, so fresh, so clean, and lights out with white out, because I thought half and half. You guys know what black and white looks like, and the coverage was perfection. So they do leave a sticky kind of tacky layer, so I am gonna top coat it with her shiny top coat, and I'll be right back. So that concludes everything that I picked up from Nailz by Dev. I really love the gel colors that I like. They're so like summer. I can't wait to use these. And the white and black, of course, perfect. And I can't wait to use the chrome and the fruit slices. I mean, in general, I have to use the fruit slices. I have so many at this point that I might as well. But yeah, oh, and I'm the most excited about is the brushes. I cannot wait. Anyways, I want to keep this video short and sweet and to the point, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment down below. And until next time, bye!